Hello, in this assignment, Map 3, we'll be taking a look at our school district's campus area network. And the nice thing about my school district is that A, there's only 3 buildings, and B, it is kind of like a campus. The schools are on the same major part of land, and the middle school and the high school, they share the same parking lot. And then there's a football field, and then on the other side of the football field is the elementary school. So in its essence, all 3 of these schools are very close together. We get our internet service provided by NeoNet. It comes in through the standard copper 100 megabit line, and the information that I received from our technology department was scarce, and I had to do some digging and sort of just kind of come up with my own thing. So there might be some inconsistencies or inaccuracies here, but from what they told me and the information that I also received, this is what I came up with, and it comes through your standard. We have a firewall set up through Cisco, but this is where I was confused because it says we have one with Cisco, and then we also have Barracuda, so I don't know if it's just some in the switch somewhere along the way. And then expands into the 3 different buildings. You can see that each one of those have a firewall with them, and they have their series routers. We do have a lot of Cisco equipment. I think we have some type of license and agreement with Cisco in place. And then you can see the 1 gigabyte fiber goes down into our school. Each particular school has the same type of setup through that, so that makes it very easy and consistent. According to our technology department, all of this information comes in the same way in the network, and each school has some type of server room where it runs through 1 gigabyte Ethernet, and then it connects throughout the whole school. At the high school, they have a couple other different servers. They have domain controllers, print servers. We have student management servers, which is where all the information gets put in for like student file and student drives, things like that. At the elementary school down here, they just have print servers and student file servers, and same thing here with the middle school. Now this is the general setup of how we get our information. The internet access it comes through NeoNet, and it's a 1 gigabyte circuit. As of right now, NeoNet has an 800 megabit. If we even come close to utilizing that, they'd purchase more. Our technology director doesn't think that we don't come very close to even utilizing that much information. We do have a Barracuda firewall. It utilizes content filtering in accordance with the Children's Internet Protection Act, and we have an agreement with them. NeoNet provides our primary internet access, and if the internet goes down, they pretty much just call our technology director and say, hey, it's down, just wait for a little bit. We do a lot of stuff in-house in our district. We don't really outsource too much information. Our email is run through NeoNet, and the only way I know to access that is just through the Microsoft Outlook system. Internet and email filtering is provided through Barracuda. I know that every now and again we'll get like quarantine information and things like that, and it'll be through Barracuda. All of our maintenance, like I said before, on the network server and the workstations are in-house. Our technology department has a couple specialists that maintain all of the network at our district, in our district. This is our computer setup. Our labs for both of our middle school and our high school, they're the same exact lab, almost the same exact room actually. They run off the same exact system. As you can see right here, this was actually the second map that I created. And the only thing different with the elementary school is that we use iMacs, Apple iMacs. They're actually pretty outdated. Other than that, it's the exact same as well. They use the same exact type of routers. This is my project. Thank you very much.